In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create events and receive appointments on Calendly in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and simplify your scheduling process. First, you'll want to log in to your Calendly account. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on the Scheduling page. This will be our workspace for setting up new events. Moving along, you'll see a prominently displayed Plus Create button. Go ahead and click that. Here, Calendly presents you with event type options like one-on-one, group, and more, depending on your requirements. For instance, if you're handling individual meetings, select one-on-one. But if you plan to meet with multiple people, you might consider the group option. After selecting your event type, focus on the event editor on the right-hand side of the screen. This handy tool allows you to personalize your event details. Start by giving your event an expressive, meaningful name, something that conveys the purpose of the meeting at a glance. A clear event name helps both you and your participants understand exactly what the engagement entails. Next, set the duration of your meeting. Whether it's a quick 15-minute chat or a longer, more involved session, make sure you specify this detail so participants know what to expect time-wise. Then, establish the location of your meeting. If you're conducting virtual meetings, you might input a Zoom or Google Meet link, or simply indicate an in-person venue if applicable. Now, let's move on to your availability. Head over to the Availability page to specify your working hours. This crucial step ensures that participants can only book sessions when you're actually free. It's all about optimizing your time. Once that's set, explore additional settings by clicking on More Options. These features allow you to tweak your event's finer details so they align perfectly with your preferences. Don't forget to save these changes by clicking on Save Changes. This step finalizes the creation of your event type. Now, an important part of preventing schedule conflicts is syncing your Calendly account with your Google Calendar or any other calendar you use. This integration ensures that Calendly only offers available times to participants, thus eliminating double bookings. Afterwards, share your event link with others. You can send it via email or any messaging platform. When someone clicks on the link, they'll be able to view your availability in their own time zone, which is incredibly convenient for global scheduling. Finally, when an invitee selects a time that suits their schedule, the appointment will be seamlessly added to your connected calendar, sparing you any manual entries or oversight. There you have it. You've just set up a fully functional scheduling system on Calendly, streamlining how you manage your meetings and appointments.